Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. If this is your very first time checking me out, my name is Yusra and I would love if you go ahead and take the time to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to check out the rest of my videos if you guys want to see how I achieve this look right here and my thoughts on the Makeup Revolution products that I use. Then go ahead and stay tuned. Guys, so for today's look I'm gonna be doing a full face using Makeup Revolution, and so let's just get started. The first product that I'll be using is this eyebrow pencil, and so it's double-ended, and right here it has it's like a thicker consistency. So, and this is in the number medium brown. I absolutely love this stuff because it makes the application for your eyebrows so much better. They don't have a brow setting gel, so I'm going to be using this one from Anastasia. And I just love to set my brows because it just makes everything look so much better, and it's like no matter how hot or anything it is outside, then like your eyebrows don't move. So the next thing I'm going to be going is with the Revolution Conceal and Define, and this concealer has been such a big hype that I'm so glad that I finally got my hands on it. It's only $7.99 and it's so affordable, but I heard like nothing but good reviews about it. I think I compare it to the ColourPop, and the ColourPop concealer is absolutely amazing. And then I just ran the concealer to kind of set my lids for the eyeshadows, and then I'm just going to take a beauty blender and just blend all that out. And then next I'm going to take my foundation, and I'm just going to take a little bit and use that to clean up the top of my brow. And I like to do a foundation for the top of my brow just to make sure that it blends my skin better, because the concealer is like so much lighter. Okay, and then next to set my lids I'm going to be using the Luxury Baking Powder. Okay, now that we set my lids, the palette that I ended up going with is the Mint Chocolate eyeshadow palette. They had so many palettes that were just absolutely beautiful, but something about this packaging, like it just looks like chocolate bar. And I just like fell in love with the colors, and this is what it looks like. Like those colors are just really, really beautiful. I love how it comes with like a full length mirror, and it comes with this little sheet that has the names of the shadows, so I will try to, you know, follow through with it. And it comes with this, but who really uses this thing anymore? But first thing I'm gonna do is find a clean brush and Interrupted, which is just like a flesh tone color, as a transition color. And then I'm going to be taking the color Secret, which is just like a deeper brown, and use that to deepen my crease. And these colors are really, really pigmented, like, or a drugstore drugstore palette. They're really, really pigmented. Next, what I like to do is just take my brow bone color, and I'm going to be taking the color Confessions and applying that on my brow bone. And then next I'm going to take the color Awaken, which is just like a deeper brown. I'm going to apply that mainly on my outer V. As you guys see, I'm just placing it. I'm really not like blended in. So we're going to go back in with the bigger fluffy brush with no product, and we're going to blend that out. And then next I'm going to cut my crease using the concealer. And the best way to cut the crease is just to apply some concealer and then kind of open your lid, and wherever like it stops, that's where you're gonna cut. And then I'm just gonna take a flat tapered brush, and I'm gonna be taking the color Commotion, This is not picking up very well, so I'm going to try my finger. Okay, so I'm not liking the pigment of that color because it's not picking up very well. So I'm going to take another color, and this is called Rival. Take my more taper brush, and I'm going to take Poison Ivy, which is just a green. Okay, now that we're done with our eyes, I have to say, like, the palette, the matte colors, like, let me show you guys. Like, these browns and, like, these neutrals, like, the browns and the neutrals blend very, very well. But these right here that are a little bit shimmery are, like, not even pigmented at all. So kind of disappointed about that. I think I personally had a lot like higher hopes for this palette, but it might just be this palette. Let me know if you guys tried any of the Makeup Revolution palettes and what you guys think about them. But I definitely think I will be playing with this a little bit more and kind of trying it out. Let's take a second to just talk about this packaging. Like, how cute is this? It looks like a freaking pen. But yeah, so you just open it and that's what it looks like. So I like the liner. It was a little like thick. So I noticed that I didn't get a mascara. I don't know if I didn't get it or if they didn't have any. So yeah, so I'm going to be using my NARS Climax, and I recently got this mascara and I absolutely love it. So I've already moisturized my face with my Bobbi Brown moisturizer, and I primed it with the Makeup Revolution priming spray. Once again, I didn't get a color corrector from them, and I'm pretty sure this one is because they didn't have it. So I'll be using the Cover FX. And then next we're going to be going with the Makeup Revolutionary foundation stick, and I am in the number F13. Next, I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye using the banana. They call it a luxury baking powder, but I feel like it's just like the banana. But I do like it because it's not as yellow. And then while we let that set for a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and apply my falsies. I'm going to go ahead and take my brush and blend it all out. So then now that I've applied my lashes, I am going to go ahead and take this green color right here and smoke out my bottom. So now we're going to go in with the Ultra Contour palette. And if I can ever get this thing open. And this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and take the deepest color they have here and apply that as a contour. I'm going to go ahead and mix in these two colors right here. I'm trying like not to blind you guys, but I'm going to go ahead and mix in these two colors just to use it a little bit as a blush. And then next we're going to go ahead and take the Vivid Baking Highlighter. Next, I'm going to take some of that highlighter and just apply that on my tear duct. And that's it. Lastly, I'm going to be using the Revolutionary Pro Fix Illuminating Spray. And then lastly, for the lips, I got this lip combo and I thought it was more like a lip gloss in the color Treason, but this is just way too gray for the look that I did today. So for my lips, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Kat Von D Damned. And then I am going to take the color Treason and apply that in the middle. So that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So just a little recap on kind of what I liked and what I didn't like. So as far as the line, I absolutely love the foundation stick and the concealer. That's something I could definitely, you know, get used to using. The banana powder, I just felt like it was just a little bit too yellowish for me. So I don't know how much of a big fan I am. The eyebrow pencil, I absolutely fell in love with that. Like, I've actually, since I opened this, I've actually been using nothing but this lately. So I absolutely love what it does for my brows. The felt tip liner, I'm kind of like mixed reviews about this, but I wouldn't mind and I would definitely give this a few more tries. Now, the two things that I really did not care for are the two palettes. The actual eyeshadow palette, like I already explained, some of the matte colors were blending in and pigmented very, very well, but all the shimmer shades were so like thin and they were not pigmented enough, so I really didn't like that. You literally had to like dig your brush into it just for me to get the payout that I got. And the lipstick, this is something, I mean, I would try it again. I'll just try it with a different look. I think the way I paired it today is perfectly and it goes with it. So overall, and the highlighter, I didn't really care for this. This was way too pinkish, unicornish. Like, I just didn't like that at all. And lastly, I fell in love with the Revolution Pro Fix Illuminizing Spray. And that's because I have dry skin and it just makes your face like super, super dewy and just like sets it so that it doesn't move. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see any more reviews on any products, if you guys have tried any of these products, shoot me a comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that like. Until next time.